So hello everyone, in this video we are going to start with a new problem in profit prior to incorporation. So the problem is Navin Enterprises Limited purchased from Navin his business on 1/4/2015, but Navin Enterprises Limited was incorporated on 1st July 2015. Find out from the following detail the profit earned by the company prior and after incorporations. So first three lines are totally related to the time ratio, where we are going to calculate pre-incorporation period and post-incorporation period. Then we will figure it out the time ratio. Next, they have given certain following information which is totally relevant to the expenditures and the incomes of the business. First point, from April 2015 to March 16, total sales was 2,40,000. The trend sales was as follows. So here they have given us relevant information of the sales ratio. Here based on this information we are going to calculate sales ratio. So see, for April and May, half of the average sales for each month. Next, August, September, October and Jan equals average sales for every month. February and March, half of the sales for each month. Here they have given us the particular month sales information. So how they have given, based on average monthly sales we are going to calculate. So I'll work out the working note of sales ratio, then you will get to know the things easily. So first point is fully related to sales ratio. Next, cost of goods sold, they have given 60,000. Why they have given cost of goods sold? Instead of giving you people gross profit, in this problem they have given you cost of goods sold. Sales minus cost of goods sold will be your profit, gross profit, isn't it? Gross profit equals sales minus cost of goods sold, then we will get gross profit. Next, salary and other expenses, it is related to your expenditures. So salary based on time ratio we will be giving. Bad debts is totally related to your sales ratio. Next, interest for purchase consideration which was paid to Navin's old business on 1/11/2015. So here they have directly given the date that 1/11/2015, which is after incorporation, which means this is totally related to post incorporation period. Next, expenditures exclusively related to the company. Yes, this is related to company, exclusively related to the company, which means after incorporation the company occurred certain expenses. So this is also fully related to the post incorporation. Got it? So this is regarding the question. So now we will calculate the working note. So in this I'll calculate the working note. The question, first calculation will be working note number 1, calculation of time ratio. So how we are going to calculate time ratio? So first we have to identify pre-incorporation period is to post-incorporation period. isn't it? So pre-incorporation period in question they have given us, see, incorporated on 1/4/15, business purchase 1/4/15, incorporated on 1/7. So which means till from 1/4/2015 they have given. So I'll take the same period. So financial year starts from 1/4, which means April, ends at 31st March 2016, isn't it? So the company was incorporated on 1/7/2015, which means 30th June 2015 was pre-incorporation period, one day before. So calculate the duration, April, May and June. So 3 months, isn't it? From July to March we'll be having 9 months. Simplify it, 1s and 3s. Time ratio, how much we got the time ratio? 1:3. This is the value. Got it? So this is regarding time ratio. Next we will be calculating sales ratio. Calculation of sales ratio. How we will be calculating sales ratio? Pre-incorporation sales is to post-incorporation sales, isn't it? So pre-incorporation sales is to post-incorporation sales. Whether in the question they have given direct sales related informations? No, isn't it? They have not yet given the direct informations. They have given monthly wise. So we have to calculate the average sales of the every month. So how much total sales they have given? Total sales 2,40,000, isn't it? If you divide it by 12 means 12 months means, so 2 lakh divided by 12 means, so monthly average sales will be 20,000. Got it? I'll just show it clearly. So 12 twos are and zeros will be carried. Got it? This is the average monthly sales. Based on this we are going to calculate it. So see in question what they have given. In question they have mentioned every month they have given, isn't it? See, April and May half of average sales. August, September, October, Jan they have given average sales of each month. So how we are going to calculate? Based on the given basic details we will be calculating. So firstly I'll just write all the month details over here. So April, May, June, July, August, September, November, December, this is the informations. So I have written all 12 months. So we will be dividing it into, so pre-incorporation period from April to June, isn't it? So till here is pre-incorporation sales value. After July to March post incorporation period. So this is how, but we don't know the value. We will calculate the value now, but this is the exact information what we supposed to do. So what basic information they have given in question? They have mentioned April and May half of average sales. Half of average sales means half 20,000 into half, isn't it? So which means 10,000. For May also 10,000. Next, in next line, August, September, October and January they have given. For these 4 months, average sales of each month, which means exactly as the average sales we have to take. So nothing but 20,000, directly we can write it. So 20,000 again 20,000 and Jan 20,000. Okay, next line, February and March half the sales of each month, same as above, 20,000 into half, so 10,000, same as above, $10,000. See, they have given or details for only few months. They have missed June, July, November and December month value. They haven't given, isn't it? So now what we supposed to do means we have to calculate the value and we have to identify it. So how we are going to calculate? See, so how much total sales we are having now? So total sales 2,40,000, isn't it? This is the total sales they have given in the question. How much sales we got for how many months they have given? April, May, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total we have the 8 months sales for sales value for 8 months we are having now. How much we are having? We have to add the values, 10,000 plus 10,000, 20, again 20 plus. If we add all these values, we will be getting 1,20,000 as value. So in order to identify the total sales of remaining 4 months, I'll be deducting the amount 2,40,000 minus 1,20,000. The answer will be 1,20,000. This is the value for 4 months. So we can consider this as sales for remaining 4 months. Got it? So this is how we will be calculating the working note. If 1 or 2 months they have not given in the question, means we have to consider the total sales and we have to minus the given data. How many months they have given? They might be given as 8 months or 9 months value they might be given. So we have to minus it. Then we are going to identify the remaining months sales. Then again what we supposed to do means, I'll write it here. So these are the sub working notes where you people will be calculating the values. So for this we supposed to calculate average. So this is the total sales for 4 months. We got how much we got? We got it as 1,20,000. So what will be the average monthly sales for 4 months? How we are going to identify? 1,20,000 divided by 4. We will be getting 30,000. Isn't it? Got it? So this is how we are going to identify. In question, they have given us 8-month average sales value. Half of average sales are as a value of average sales they have given, but for remaining 4 months they haven't mentioned. What we supposed to do? We are going to identify the remaining 4 months value. Then for that value we are going to identify the average monthly sales. Got it? So based on this average monthly sales, we are supposed to calculate the total sales ratio. How much we got? So we got sales value as 30. Isn't it? I'll write that in the So how much average sales we got? So 30,000 we got, isn't it? So for July also 30,000. August we already calculated, and November, December it will be 30,000. So we got the total month's sales value. Now we are supposed to add pre-incorporation sales and post-incorporation sales. So now we have to add it. How we supposed to add? 10,000 plus again 10,000 plus 30,000 is to all these 30,000, 20,000, again 20. If you add all these values, mean we will be getting some values. So if you add, I'll directly add it. I don't write like this. In order to understand, I have written one part of the question as an example over here. So if you add it, we'll be getting 1,90,000 over here and 50,000 over here. So 50,000 is to 1,90,000. So zeros will get cancelled. So 5:19 is the sales ratio. Got it? Very simple. It feels like difficult, but if you understand the concept, it is very easy. We have to write 12 months or in an orderly manner. Then we are going to write the given details in chronologically or orderly. So what they have given, I have written in one by one. I have written, isn't it? Insufficient informations are there, so we have to identify that. We are going to identify the values, then we will be answering it. Okay, so very easy. So sales ratio is 5:19. Got it? So this is how it works. So we will be calculating it. Okay, go through the solution once, just look into the solutions. So this is how we have been calculated. So what will be the next procedure? We are moving on to the solution, isn't it? This is the format where we calculate the problem. And one more thing, I think I missed it. Yes. Yes. So calculation of third point, calculation of gross profit. So gross profit equals sales minus cost of goods sold. Sales, total sales 2,40,000 minus cost of goods sold is 60,000. Got it? Yes. So 2,40,000 minus 60,000, 1,80,000. So gross profit we have been calculated. Got it? So very simple problem. We'll move on to solution E now. So as always, we are going to start with gross profit. So gross profit will be calculated on sales ratio. We calculated sales ratio as 5:19. So gross profit is 1,80,000 into 5 by 24. How we got 24? 5 plus 19 is 24. So the value will be 37,500. Here 1,42,500. So we are going to identify this as total total will be written as same. So 37,500, 1,42,500. Got it? Next, expenses. So one by one expenses we are going to pay. So first expenses. So first A point we calculated sales ratio, B point for gross profit we also calculated that. Next they have given salary and other expenses. So salary is purely based on time ratio. So how much time ratio we calculated? 1:3. So total salary they have given 6,000. 6,000 into 1 by 4, 1,500. Next 4,500. Just 1,500 and 4,500 for post incorporation. Next they have given bad debts. So bad debts is purely based on sales. So 5:19. So 5:19. So 2,400 into 5 by 24. So we will be getting 500 as the value in pre-incorporation period, 500, then 1,900 in post-incorporation period. Next we have interest for purchase consideration. So I'll just write down directly over here because there is a kind of adjustment over there. I'll let you know now. So interest on purchase consideration. So if you observe the question mean, you will get to know that. Yes, wait, I'll show the question directly now. then only you will get to know the adjustments properly. So the value they have given, yes, look here, interest for purchase consideration which was paid to Navin's business on 1/11/2015. The duration they have given is 2015 up to November. I have paid the interest. I'm not paying for the December, Jan and all. Okay, you got it. So till April to November I have paid. Only for particular that duration I am going to pay them the interest. So April to November how much I have paid, for that particular period only I am going to calculate the interest value, not up to March. You got it? So just you can call it as revised time ratio also, because up to November I am calculating, right? So pre-incorporation period is to post-incorporation period. Yes, as usual, beginning will be 1/4/2015. Incorporation was before 30th/6, right? So same. Next 1/7/2015 to 1st November 2015. This is the value month we are going to supposed to calculate. So April to June will be 3 months, and July to November we have to calculate. We should not include November also. So July, August, September and October. It will be, I have written as 7, but 4 months. So 3:4 will be the ratio. Got it? So that revised time ratio will be 3:4. We can't take it directly as a time ratio, or we can directly write it in post incorporation period, because clearly they have given up to November, isn't it? So 3:4, 2100 into 3/7, it will be 900. 2100 into 3/7. Got it? Next 2100 into 4/7 will be 1200. Next point, expenses exclusively related to the company. So here they have clearly mentioned exclusively related to company means it is full and full related to post incorporation period. Got it? So directly we can write it in post incorporation period 8900. So there is no further adjustments in the question, only this much they have given. So in this question mostly they have given based on the sales ratio adjustment they have given. So very easy, don't need to get confusions. If you clearly write the problems, if you clearly understand the question means it will be easy. So I'll write the total over here. So same as above, we will be writing the total 37,500 for pre-incorporation period. For post-incorporation, same as above, 1,42,500. Got it? Next, what positive value we are going to get? We are going to call it as net profit. So if you deduct gross profit, if you minus all the expenditures means we will be getting net profit, isn't it? So this net profit will be transferred to where? Pre-incorporation will be transferred to capital reserve. If we have loss means it will be transferred to goodwill account. We should not forget all those points. Got it? So it will be transferred to capital reserve because the expenses are very less. So 37,500 minus 1,500 minus 500 and again minus 900. The value will be around 34,600. 34,600. That is the net profit which transferred to capital reserve. For post incorporation also we are going to do the same thing. Those profit will be transferred to P&L appropriation account. Got it? Yes, this profit will be transferred over there. 1,42,500 minus 4,500, 1,900, 1,200 and minus 8,900. If you minus it, the value will be 1,26,000. Got it? A very simple concept. If firstly we have to read the question very well, then we have to answer it. Hope you all understood the questions or no confusions in this solution. I think so. So if you have any doubts, means kindly comment in the comment section. I'll try to solve it. So thank you for watching. Support my channel, subscribe and do like my channel. Thank you.